So I decided just to make a recording of this because I was trying to type it and it didn't make a lot of sense. But if you use the link from the email she sent, maybe at the end of August, you'll get to this page. I don't know if you've made a copy yet, but hers is on the right, and so you either I control click it from my Mac or you can right click it from a PC. You should get a menu that says this. You make a copy. It's going to take a couple minutes, but then it'll drop the copy into your drive. And then you can edit it from there. So this is where you can go and delete, add stuff. This menu appears where I started editing things. So I left the general info and all of that there because I don't think we have to change it. But like on the candidate info, now you can go in with insert and the pages and the themes. You can change it to look like maybe you like the way this looks better. If I was gonna I made sure and get all of this information. Then if I needed to, you can delete the whole thing, but I just want to delete the file. So let's say I want to insert a different layout. And then maybe I want to insert a link or a document. Like from Drive, I can insert a document from Drive. Let's say I'm going to put my resume in there, which is a PDF. So they can look at it here, or that this little thing here will take them to it from my shared Google Drive. I hope that this helps. You can delete entire sections. You can change the size of the font. You really can't change the font on a whole lot of these. But I hope that this helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.